Hello dear students, welcome to the math session. Today we are going to begin with lesson number 5, decimal fractions. Students, you all might have seen the bill which we get from the grocery shop, or many times you visit the malls for shopping, and at that time after your shopping you might have seen the bill which we get. You might have seen the values there which appear in the decimal form. Okay, so this type of numbers in which we can see the decimal point, they are called as decimal numbers or decimal fractions. Even you might have heard on the television that today's temperature is 24.8 degree centigrade. So likewise, when we see the decimal point at that time, those numbers are called as decimal numbers. Now let us see this in detail. Children, in previous standard, we have studied the problems on measurement. There we have seen that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Now, if we'll consider this as 1, even if you remember, we have studied the fractions also last day. So this is, we can consider as a whole. So if I want to consider as half kg, I have to consider on the half part over here. So that will count 500 grams. When we talk about the kilograms, half kg is equal to 500 grams. If I want to think only about the 1/4 part, 1/4 kg, that will be 250 grams. Likewise, we can convert the values. Now we were discussing about the conversion in kg and grams. Consider that suppose you are visiting any market and suppose you are buying fruits over there. Now if you want to purchase the apples, you purchase half kg of apples. Half kg apples means how many apples in grams you will buy? That will be 500 grams of apple you will buy. Suppose after that you want to purchase the guava. Okay, so that you have purchased only 1/4 kg. Means total how much? 250 grams. Okay, so okay, these many fruits only you are going to buy there. So what you need to do is let us add total how much quantity of fruits you have buy over there. That is, we are going to add 0, then 5, and this will be 750 grams. Total 750 grams. So these many quantity you have buy over there. This 750 gram, if we want to convert into kilogram, what we need to do is we will have to divide this value by 1000 so that we can convert this into grams. So when we divide this 750 by 1000, what value will get? See, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 zeros are there. So when we are going to convert this simple fraction into decimal fraction, at that time, always start from the right hand side and just see that whatever number of zeros are there in the denominator, that many places you are going to leave from the right hand side, put the decimal point and then write 0 over there. So 750 upon 1000, I can write in the decimal form as 0.750. Okay, so this is a decimal number. Okay, that means now 750 grams I can write as 0.750 kilograms. Children, now based on the topic which we have discussed just now, let us solve the practice set 14 on page number 30. First of all, question number 1. Here the question is given, one number is given to us, that is 378.025. So we have this number in front of us, and here you can see the places are shown. We have studied the place names before. Okay, now you can see this is unit place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, From this to the left hand side we have studied the places till now. Now after the decimal point again we have to write the 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. So when we write these places, at that time what we have to do, as these are the decimal fractions, so we have to write this number in the fractional form. See 1 upon 10, as it is 10th place 1 upon 10, at 100th place 1 upon 100, at 1000th place 1 upon 1000. In this way we are going to write. This is very easy. Children, now what we are going to do, these digits we are going to place first of all in the proper place. So at 100 place you can see it is 3. At 1000 tens place it is 7. At units place it is 8. 9. After decimal point, at this is first, at 10th place it is 0. Then at 100th place it is 2. And at 1000th place it is 5. Okay. Now the next is what? We have to write the place value of these digits. Place value. Okay. So when we are going to write the place value, these place values we can easily recognize, as we have studied this in 5th standard also. How we can do this? That we are going to take the multiplication of this. Okay. So place value of 3 is 300, that of 7 is 70, and that of 8 is 8 ones are 8. Now here, this also we are going to see, in place of this 1 we are going to write that particular number. That means here we have done the multiplication, here we are going to do the division. So 0 upon 10. When we multiply or divide any number by 0, we get the answer as 0. So here itself we have to write the 0 only. Here in place of 1, write 2 upon 100. Okay. So 2 upon 100. Now we are going to convert this into the decimal fractions. So after this decimal point, what is the position of 2? 0 and 2. So likewise you can write 0.02, and similar to that for the 5, what we have to write? 5 upon 1000 is equal to 0.005. This is the decimal form of 5 upon 1000. In this way we can write the place values of the all digits. Now let us see question number 2.